Example. Let's take an example on Stokes' law. A raindrop of radius 1 mm has terminal velocity of 2.4 meter per second in air. Calculate the viscous force on the raindrop. If eta for air is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 poise. Let's see the solution. Given values are r is equal to 1 millimeter, which can be written as 0.1 centimeter. V is equal to 2.4 into 10 square centimeter per second. Eta is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 poise. We know that F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. Putting their respective values in the above equation, on calculating we get F is equal to 9.05 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 dyne, which is equal to 0.091 dyne. Hence, the viscous force on air drop is 0.091 dyne.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.